Alright students, so to continue with the poem Daffodils, we will now proceed and we will now study stanza 2. Now stanza 2 reads, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. So if we go line wise, the poet says, continuous as the stars that shine. That is, how were these daffodils scattered? They were scattered all over the place, just like the stars that shine in our galaxy. Milky Way is our galaxy, as you all know. And just like there are stars in our Milky Way galaxy, they are never ending, they are stretched in a never ending line, they are continuous, they are countless, and they're always shining. Similarly, these daffodils were shining in the light of the sun and they were seen all over the place. That is, they were shining and they were seen in a never ending line, right? They stretched in never ending line along the margin of a bay. Along the margin of a bay means, again, that is, they were beside the lake that scattered all over the place. Still, the poet could see, he could only and only see daffodils and nothing else. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Now 10,000 is just an exaggeration, right? When we try to emphasize on a particular thing. So the poet is using the figure of speech, that is hyperbole here, in order to exaggerate that he was able to see at a glance. In one go, he was able to see approximately 10,000 daffodils tossing their heads. Tossing their heads means that they were moving from right to left or left to right in the breeze when the wind was blowing. And in sprightly dance. Sprightly dance means energetic dance, a happy dance. So the word sprightly here indicates energy, energetic dance here, right? So in this stanza, the poet only talks about, he's comparing these daffodils to the stars in the Milky Way. Why? Because just like the stars, these daffodils were also shining and they were stretched all over the place. They were countless, they were numerous, and they were seen in never-ending line. And to exaggerate, the figure of speech hyperbole is used here, wherein the poet is saying that at one glance he could see 10,000 daffodils. That's a lot, right? And what were they doing? They were dancing with a lot of energy and moving their heads, that is, moving from one side to the other in the breeze.